Here we are in the West End, Wellington Street to be precise, Lyceum Theatre. We're going to see Lion King. Show starts at 2:30 and join in the queues. Wonderful theatre. We've got seats up in the Royal Circle.
Okay, that's fine. No.
There we are, if you wanted any mementos. We're going upstairs.
Right, go down.
Wonderful theatre. Look at that. Filling up nicely. This wonderful old theatre. Look at it. Full of history.
Hello, please come to the down of the lid. Try to go up. It's everything down of the lid. Thank you very much.
Steeped in history. Don't know how many years this theatre's been here, but it's been here for a long time and it will be here for many more years to come. Lyceum Theatre, Wellington Street, London, UK, May 2026.
What do you want?
Scotland and Mallet. Yeah, we do.
Are you going, John? Yeah?
No, I'm getting out of the way.
Yeah.
I don't know what.